this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the ChatGPT Send button not working. Let's get started. First, check whether ChatGPT is still generating your response. While ChatGPT is thinking or replying, the send button may be temporarily unavailable. If you have entered a long prompt, simply wait until the response is finished and the voice icon or the normal input controls reappear. Once ChatGPT has finished processing, type a message again and the send button should become available. If you have already waited and the send button still is not working, try logging out of your ChatGPT account and then signing back in. This refreshes your session and can often resolve temporary account or interface issues. If the problem continues, it may be caused by your browser glitch or corrupted website data. Open your browser settings or click on this icon given over here. Click on Cookies and Site Data. Click on the option Manage on-device site data. Click on trash icon for ChatGPT. Next thing you want to do is click on three bars given at the top right. Select the option Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. Click on View Permission. Here search for ChatGPT. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Now I can head back. If you're logged out, log in back to your ChatGPT account and test the send button again. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.